Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to make some Escovitch pickle. I hope you'll enjoy. All you need to put this pickle together are carrots, onions, Scotch bonnet pepper, chayote, we call it chocho in Jamaica, pimento seed, and vinegar. While the vinegar is being heated on the stove, I'll start putting all of this goodness into the mason jar. Now that I have all the ingredients placed in the mason jar, I'm going to pour some hot vinegar over all the vegetables, making sure everything is fully covered. How do you make your Escovitch? This is how I make mine. The way my mother taught me. The old-fashioned way. I've seen a few people add sugar, but I don't. I like to keep everything natural. The carrots already bring a nice sweetness. The Scotch bonnet give it that spicy kick. And the pimento seed, they're packed with flavor. So tell me, how do you make yours? Do you add sugar to balance off the acidity from the vinegar? Or keep it the traditional way like this? Let me know in the comments. can't keep all this goodness to yourself. You have to share it. Enjoy.